Hello, welcome. This is the vocabulary vegetable 4. 蔬菜4蔬菜4 The first one is carrot. In Chinese, 胡萝卜喝无胡了我罗波喔波 See, both of them are second tone, and the last one is light. 胡萝卜 Hu usually we use the name as Western from foreign country. 萝卜 means reddish. 胡萝卜 means reddish transferred from a foreign country. 胡萝卜 This is white reddish. 白萝卜不爱白了我萝卜白萝卜白 means white. It's a color. This is potato. There are many different names for this potato in different locations of China. Here I introduce two common ones. The first one is scientific name, 马铃薯 么啊马了银铃是无薯马铃薯 means potato. Another name is 土豆 特无土的哦豆 土 means soil, dirt. 豆 means bean. So a bean growing in the dirt, in the soil. 土豆 If you go to the vegetable market, usually you say this. The next one is sweet potato. Scientific name, 番薯富安番是无薯番薯 Another name is 地瓜的意地勾啊瓜 means a gourd growing in land. 地 means land, ground. 地瓜 Last one is 山药 I don't see it here in the normal supermarket. You maybe find them in the Asian supermarket. It's yam. 山药是安山一奥药 Shan means mountain or hill. Yao means medicine. You see the skin is like a tuberous plant, like medicine. We call 山药 Actually, the skin of these, if you touch it, you will feel itchy. So when you process this food, you remove the skin of this yam. Have to be careful. Have to wear gloves. Okay, this is all the word we learned in this video. Here, I show you another dish. Here is made from the yam. I showed you that plant together with some fungus and some chili and pepper. Very delicious. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. See you.